All right, please. So can we, okay, maybe we'll just take one or two questions before we go straight into the demonstration. Do we have questions, please? Go ahead. Those online and those at the venue, please, if you have questions, let's take two questions from online and then two questions at the venue. Oh, there's a question here. Okay, someone is asking, okay, I want you to explain how the tools for wireframes work. How the tools for wireframe works. Okay, that is the essence of this training. We will pick up some of the tools and explain how we can use them. There are so many tools that can be used for wireframing. The first presenter mentioned Adobe XD. He mentioned Sigma. What other one did he mention? Okay, mentioned quite some tools. We also have Figma. We have Sketch and many other tools that can be used for wireframing. But for this, we will be using Adobe XD because Adobe XD is the that is being used in the industry. So if you are going to do UI UX design and front end, you likely need the skill of Adobe XD. Some persons can use Sketch, some can use eDraw, as the case may be. Now, let me say this before we go straight into the design proper. UX design is basically a skill that's everyone, not minding one's discipline. The reason is this: there is no kind of job you would want to take today that will look at your background. I'm talking about that will look at your discipline. You can cross from whatever discipline into any discipline at any point. So whether you are studying agriculture, you can take up a job that will require this because there are some essential skills that are required for people to get jobs in the 21st century. And one of those skills is design skills. So it is expected that no matter what you study, no matter what job you are taking, you should have design skills. So that is the essence of this training. So we will show you towards the end some jobs opportunities you can for internship or for full time, not minding where you're coming from. So we'll show you at the end of the day so that even while you are in school, or while you are doing some other thing, you can take up some remote jobs and earn some money. So we will show you the basic skills on how to start the design. The last presenter talked about passion. If you are passionate about graphics, you are passionate about images, you are passionate about movies, you are passionate about what people see, then it will be easy for you to go into UI UX design because what you're going to do in the design is you are bringing the experience, you are bringing the experience of users into diagrams. Okay, so we will show you how to achieve that right away. So let me share my screen. But before I do that, how many persons have been able to install Adobe XD? Please, if you have been able to install, if you're online, raise your hand. Physical class, please raise your hand. Let's see. You're able to install Adobe XD on your computer. Okay, let me share my screen. I hope you can see my screen, please. Those of you online.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll be taking you through wireframes, types building. All right. So we'll do simple designs, and I'll explain what you need to know. So this is the link. The name of the tool we are using is Adobe XD. Adobe XD. That's the link for you to install. You can install the trial version, which you don't need to pay. You can install directly. Unfortunately, you cannot download and share. I would have done that. Once you try to download it, to install directly on your computer. Or you can download the Creative Cloud, which will give you several other tools that you can use in your design. Okay. Not be able to do it, don't worry about it. I will demonstrate what you need to know about it. And later, once you're able to get the software, you can practice it. I'll also show you different 2. Okay, so you're expected to follow this link, download, install, and then install plugins. Then we can now look at some business scenarios. Okay, so if you are installed, this is the way it will look like. Those of us online, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, what are you seeing on the screen, please?
Sir, on titled on top, November 26th, and then the page with news updates.
Oh,
and yeah.
You should see XD now, the XD environment.
Yeah, the XD environment, sir.
All right. Now,
we prototype. Yeah.
This is one thing you need to know about, which makes it very exciting. If you work with a company, and the company wants to develop a product, I mean, not working with, maybe you're working with maybe a marketing company, maybe you are a marketing officer, or you are a business development officer, whatever role you are playing. And then the company you're working with now wants to build a solution. Of course, everybody is moving towards solution, right? You want to use software to automate or to do your business, whatever kind of business you're doing. If you are into selling goods, you want your market to move online, like Jumia, okay, or like Konga, and all of those platforms. If you are into health services, you are selling drugs or food supplements, everybody is going online. Now, if the company you are working with now wants a solution that can help them to solve the problem or to sell their markets. Now, before they contact a developer, they usually want somebody within the company who can translate what the management has in mind into a paperwork. Okay, what should the solution look like? Based on the kind of customers they have, based on the experience of the customers. So it will be good for them to have in-house UI UX designer who will translate whatever business idea they have into paperwork. Okay, into skeleton. The skeleton is sketch. What we call framework is actually skeleton. Your paperwork. You now move the paperwork into a computer using a simple program like Adobe XD, and then you're able to wireframes and then convert the wireframes into prototype. Now, what the management eventually gives out to developers will now be prototypes. If your company is going to seek for contracts, maybe from government or trying to get people to sign up onto their products, there is usually a need to write business plans. Now, what should go into the business plans will be the wireframes of the solution that is to be developed. So what front-end enables you to do is to come with that kind of thing that can scale through. So this is Adobe XD environment. Once you've installed, you just into an environment like this. Now there are 3 different kinds of settings here. You have an iPhone design, so you can design an interface for phones. All of these mobile apps you are having on your phones. All of those you have on Play Store, they were developed by people. Design those things without knowing how to code. You just pick this one, put here, put this one, put here, put this one, put here, put the colors you want, put the pictures you want, connect them the way you want. Do you understand? That's how the thing is. So you don't know how to write any program except you are a developer. So you can build for iPhone, you can build for web. The second one is a website. Okay, or a portal, as the case may be. You can also do for Instagram story. Okay, before any software solution is developed, there has to be kind of wireframe. Instagram, and then you can also build for custom, and the custom sizes. What people have not thought of, you can think of a solution, and then create it by yourself. All together. Want to do. So if you want to build, okay, maybe we take web for instance. They just click on web. let it load.
So we are not really seeing it moving. Our mouse, no, nothing is moving on the screen, so.
Check again. Has anything changed?
No, sir.
What are you saying, please?
It's still the normal first layout design platform. They are not changed. Nothing. We are still saying the same thing.
Should have changed now, please.
No, it hasn't.
It's not strong enough. Who else is seeing the same thing, please? Those online. Hello? Please, those online, unmute yourself and speak. Okay, this is same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same thing?
Yes, sir, same thing.
What are you seeing?
It's not
please?
moving.
What are you seeing?
It's still what I've been seeing for the last 5 minutes. No arrow is moving.
Just
It's still like
seeing. Describe what you're seeing.
okay. The design, the prototype, the share, the limited, and then the dates, November 29 9 a.m. and then the logo, and then yes, yes, that's what I'm saying. The homepage, every of the tools there is what I'm saying.
Is it my connection? Because I've clicked on something. Okay, let me just go back. Let me go back and see. Okay, what I see now?
Nothing has changed, dude.
Just an iPhone, web, Instagram story, custom size.
No, we have not seen it.
No, I've not seen that.
I share it. Maybe I'll share my entire screen. Sorry, please, trying to see you now. We are looking for. Okay, please check out it again. What can you see now?
So we see XD and see iPhone X, iPhone XS, Instagram story, web, custom size.
All right, so we are going to create a wireframe for a web application. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If we are creating for an iPhone, the option for iPhone also allows for Android phone. So any mobile device can click the first option. The second one is for web, and the third one is for Instagram. The fourth one can be anything. So we are going for web. So I click on web. Let's see if you can see the screen as it changes.
Yes, sir.
What are you seeing now?
Yes, sir. We can see it. A blank page for now.
Correct. On the top of the blank page, you see web.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
yes, sir.
That blank environment is called artwork. Artwork. It's like a web browser, the home page of the web browser or a page of the web browser where you are going to do your design. You know, but when you visit a website, it's usually in pages. The website is a collection of web pages. So for UI UX design, you are going to design each page separately. So the tools to design are available on this environment. Any tool that is not available, I will show you how to bring the tools in for you to use to design whatever you want to do. So typically, for you to have a proposed solution, you need to have the problem you want to solve. First of all, in your head. Now, if I want to design an e-commerce website or a chatting environment, maybe a chatting environment, on a home page, I'm going to have header. Header is a location where you can have the logo of the business you want to do, the business that you want to do, and maybe a search bar. Sometimes you put phone numbers on the header. And then you also want to have a menu bar. The menu bar is where you have your home, about us, our services, our products, all of those things that you want to put on your home. And then you can go ahead to put anything you want to put. Images, video clips, social media handles, your footer, and the rest. So the choice is basically yours to put any of those things. So typically, we expect that you would have done your paperwork, your sketch. For those of you who are here at the physical venue, I'll just do a sketch, but I will show those of you online. And then, so let me just do a sketch on the paper. There is a plain sheet here. An A4 size plain sheet is almost like a web page that you see there. That's quite good. So you can do a sketch of whatever you want to do on this paper first. Represent what you have in mind. So the first thing is landscape. So you're going to have header. That is a rectangle. You just click and drop.
I feel we still have the same problem.
Just listen, I will do it on the screen for you to see. We are going to
okay,
have
sir.
the choice is yours. Whether you want the menu to go horizontal or vertical, the choice is yours. Some people do vertical so that when you click, it will now increase, it will load out. Some can allow it to spread out, so the choice is yours. So if I want to maybe make my own horizontal, it's another rectangle. It's funny. So I have header and I have what? Menu bar. So at the bottom, I'm supposed to have footer. A footer is a location where you put contact us. So the footer is where you have your phone number, contact us, about us, the site map. Are we together? And then whatever thing you now want to put on your page, then you want images to fly at the same time. You know, when you visit some website, you see images moving. Yeah.